Hi, I'm Vincent from the Chinese University of Hong Kong and the chair of the local organizing committee of the VasCog 2018. The mission of the VasCog Society is to investigate vascular factors related to brain injury and dysfunction, resulting in cognitive, psychiatric, or behavioral symptoms. The principal goals of the society are to advance science in this field, to raise awareness through regular scientific meetings on the topic, and to nourish young researchers in this field. The VasCog Congress is coming to the beautiful and amazing city Hong Kong this year. So apart from focusing on the amazing research which we'll be presenting at VasCog 2018, we hope you will explore Hong Kong, a wonderful city during your visit. Enjoy the fabulous night view and enjoy the best food in the world. We look forward to seeing you all in Hong Kong this November.